Is your Temu app acting up? Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through some quick fixes to get you back to shopping those amazing deals. First, let's try the simplest solution. Close the Temu app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen or double tap the home button to access your recently used apps and then swipe the Temu app away to force close it. Reopen the app and see if that resolves the issue. If that didn't work, head over to your phone settings. Find the Apps or Application Manager section. The exact wording may vary depending on your phone model. Scroll down until you find the Temu app and tap on it. Now, tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that might be causing problems. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or order history. If clearing the cache didn't work, try clearing the data. Please be aware that this will sign you out of the app, and you'll need to log in again. If the problem persists, check if there's an update available for the Temu app in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. An outdated app can often lead to compatibility issues. Finally, make sure your phone's operating system is up to date. Go to your phone settings and look for Software Update or System Update. Install any available updates. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions has got your Temu app working smoothly again. Happy shopping!